Ladies and gents, good morning. It's my birthday today, and we're gonna go pick up a car. And it's for our friend Poof. We're joining Keenan today, picking up his brand new car, and we're going downstate. So it's a little road trip. Super excited to go pick up his car. We're gonna carpool with him. Got about 4 hours on the road ahead of us, and then 4 hours back. So a lot of driving today, but it's well worth it. Picking up something cool. Wee-hee! Ladies and gents, today's the day. Not just talking about my birthday, it is delivery day. It's STO delivery day. We're going to Lamborghini of Troy, and we're picking up a fun little car.
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
I'm
actually getting a call from my salesperson right now.
Well, that was good timing. Sales guy called, and she's ready. Sounds like it's on the showroom floor and is all prepped and looking pretty. I'm excited to see this thing in person because the spec is outrageous. This is your fourth Huracan?
This is my third Huracan, fourth Lamborghini.
Okay, the other car is there too. So Keenan's driving the Urus back. We're picking up, well, I guess we're taking delivery and like, what, you're buying it today?
Yeah, I'm buying the STO today, but I'm not taking it home yet.
Right, so it's getting shipped. There's no PPF on it yet, so that's kind of step one. But yeah, if you guys aren't familiar with Keenan, he's a smaller YouTuber, just getting started out. He does gaming, so if you want to go support his channel, go subscribe to him. But yeah, we're just doing car stuff. We're actually on Woodward right now. We're back in the old stomping grounds of downstate Michigan. Cool little birthday surprise. Yeah,
I'm buying an STO just for his birthday.
They're gonna have it out in the showroom. I guess we're gonna see what the presentation is like, because this is your first new delivery from this dealership, right?
Correct. My Urus I got from Lamborghini down in Sarasota. I had a falling out with them. So this is my first time working with this dealership. Buying a new car, I sold my Performante to them, which is why they gave me an STO allocation. So it's been what, 8? I ordered it in June. Do the math. I don't know how many months that is, but it's been that long.
Long time waiting, but just enough like excitement built up. So we're like 10 miles away. I'm pumped up. It's not even my car. I'm excited, man. I can't wait to see this thing. So we'll get you guys when we're at the Troy Motor Mall, Exotic, whatever that place is called now. Let's head there. I was just saying, I forget how big this place is, but we're here at the American flag waving.
That's kind of a good looking Bentayga.
I've never seen one in that color.
Big Bad's busting out the Bentley Bentayga.
250 grand. Jeez.
Me, dude.
We're here.
Oh, I see they put the Urus in there too.
You can see both of them.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh.
Shit.
Can you see it on camera a little bit?
I can see it.
Oh, that's so sick. It's time. You pumped, dude?
Dude, I don't know. I have such a light feeling in my stomach. I'm glad we didn't eat before this.
Dude, this looks so good.
It does.
And it is a similar kind of, it's like a little deeper.
Yeah, it's a little deeper, but it's not too far off.
There we go.
Wow. Oh, this is going to be so sick.
You
Look at the rear view. It's nothing.
You got a little care package too?
Yeah, it looks like a cover and stuff.
The color would be a little too different on them, but it actually is very close. This one's just a little deeper.
If you didn't know, you would think they're the same.
Yeah, and that's kind of what I want. You know, I just didn't think that one being a little bit more flat would go with the rim, which is why I want that a little bit more deeper sparkle. I think it was the right choice. I don't think I'd do anything different.
This matte black looks crazy. All right, this rear end is crazy. Standard with the Akrapovic, the Ducati Lamborghini 63 edition. Super rare. I feel like we're in a museum. We have to whisper. That's sick.
You have a set of Lamborghini driving gloves.
No way.
Lug wrench, don't slide around the track.
That's gotta be.
It's like a
The weight
rubberized.
savings is like 3 grams, but they didn't.
Jeez. I love the doors, how just exposed carbon
Yeah,
like
I
that.
love the doors. They're a lot like the SV or SVJ door, which is
Right.
cool.
These two next to each other. Oof. Something about it. We're just saying how this gold has a little more flake to it. And if you get up under this one, it's a little more pearly, almost indistinguishable. Not sure if it shows up well on camera, but absolutely wicked spec with the red calipers. She's a beaut.
And I even got the 60th anniversary.
That is pretty sweet.
Dude, I can't believe that. I was not expecting that.
Even though it's just a little plaque, but
Right.
it's still cool.
Cool little token. This is my first time ever in a Urus.
Oh, it's pretty. It's a pretty good
Ooh.
experience, I'd say so myself.
Okay.
I'm sure it's low tire pressure from the stupid temperature change from Florida.
Oh, it's even got the audio that pops up. Is this Bang & Olufsen?
Yeah, nice.
I'm a fan.
I love this thing. It's grown on me.
Which is a better gold, this one or the Bentayga?
Ooh, that Bentayga is actually pretty good looking.
It's almost a little
gonna
more
lie.
yellowy. We are departing the dealership and the goods have been secured. Car's getting shipped tonight, or no, it's getting shipped tomorrow morning. All the way to Keenan's house, and then following the gold Urus, which is looking absolutely phenomenal in the sunlight. What a fun delivery. Ladies and gents, delivery day comes to an end. What an experience, that was fun. The Huracan Sto is getting delivered tomorrow. Not quite sure if we're gonna make it to the delivery, but it is accounted for. It is making its way to his house tomorrow. What a day. We had a lot of driving today and it was really busy, and it feels like today has been 3 real days in one. But yeah, we're driving back to celebrate my birthday because today is my birthday, and what a fun thing to do. It's a Thursday, so like there's nothing else that I would have been doing otherwise. It was cool to be invited along and like experience a brand new Lamborghini delivery. Like, again, thanks to Keenan. If you guys like gaming and stuff, his channel will be on the screen. Go subscribe to him. If you guys want to see more car content, stick around, hit like on this video, pushes the algorithm to more people that haven't seen my videos before. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see ya.